Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Prestige 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if you're experiencing issues with your MSI Prestige 14's keyboard falling apart, you're not alone. This is a common problem that can occur due to wear and tear over time, especially with frequent use. If it's not addressed, it can lead to further damage and impact your overall user experience. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. To begin, we need to safely open your device. Start by turning off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Once all screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using your plastic spudger, taking care not to damage any clips. Next, locate the faulty keyboard. It's usually directly attached to the motherboard and secured with additional screws. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it properly. When you find it, carefully unscrew it using the same Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be of different sizes. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard out, taking care not to pull any attached cables too forcefully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now grab your replacement keyboard and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Gently press it into place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables you had to disconnect, ensuring they are firmly seated. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back cover of the device and screw it back on. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new keyboard to ensure it functions properly. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your keyboard and avoid eating or drinking near your device. This will help minimize wear and keep your keyboard in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.